Remember when you had to install software using CDs or download big files? Those days are gone. Thanks to SaaS, software as a service, you can now use software directly online, anytime, and from any device. SaaS, or software as a service, is a way to deliver software over the internet. Instead of downloading and installing programs, you simply access them through your web browser. Think of Gmail, Google Docs, or Zoom, they're all examples of SaaS. The software runs on the provider's servers, and you use it online. Here's how SaaS works. You sign up for a service, usually through a subscription. The software is hosted in the cloud, so you can access it from any device. With an internet connection, updates and maintenance happen automatically in the background. No downloads or installs needed. This means less hassle for you and more time to focus on your work. SaaS is so popular because it's affordable. You pay for what you need, often monthly, without expensive, upfront costs. Accessible, you can work from anywhere, whether on a laptop, phone, or tablet. Effortless, no need to worry about updates, they happen automatically. From small businesses to large companies, SaaS is a game changer for productivity and collaboration. So, SaaS is all about making software easy to use and accessible anywhere. Whether it's managing projects or hosting meetings, SaaS is the backbone of today's digital workspaces. SaaS, software anywhere, anytime. Want to learn more tech terms? Subscribe and stay tuned for more easy explanations.